Kimi, with diamond.
You are shining bright like diamonds in the sky.
It's coming soon. The deal, the ideal, and the real. Good day, good way. Say, is everything going your way? Did you have your meal today? Well, welcome to Life Restaurant, and I hope for your meal you'll be able to pay. Say, you might be thinking I'm leading you astray. I've been taking into consideration this venue for my preponderant menu. What the hell? I might have just well tell. Waiter, I'm your waiter from now until later. Be aware the prices today are so high, so you might just need a calculator. Now, ladies, maybes, and gentlemen, allow me to introduce. Ladies, maybes, and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you my special, which is the ideal, the deal, and the real. The question being, what is your meal? But before my philosophy reveal, let me engage you into a question that arises from mystification of human relations in relation to unclassified situations. Now, so often but forgotten, we classify from a point of view, magnify, name calling, we crucify. For example, Lord Lady, to those who satisfy like a throat of the mice by cold hunters dry. Basically, specifically, typically in our relationship menu, among the deal, the ideal, and the real, we have in no particular order. Imjendevu, amakati, omakwapeni, pelala, abafaka ekfeni, etc., etc., X being the factor. In this relationship sector, yes, I don't need a protractor, no measure the calculator to conclude that you be screwed, immorality defeated by your news, trusting, dread, busting, not realizing it's never lasting. 10x's now, that's disgusting, but without any casting, tell me how to set up this one is always adjusting. Well, I do bring you the deal, the ideal, and the real. The question being, what is your meal? Now, let me be like my sexuality. Straight. Because I think it drives it. See, the deal is the kind of guy who's known as Zingwazi. There's no need for Richazi, but listen to Yazazu Yazi. I mean, just by touching you, Usumanzi. Pela, this is the deal, the kind of guy who takes you out for a meal. Isn't it, Nani, lazy baby? He doesn't mind the bill. You dare marry him and he does, then you find out that you are not in his dream. Because you are with him, but you are never part of the deal. Now, ladies, this is for you. Let us take into consideration that upon ordering in this very expensive restaurant, you are born to order the unknown. So, you forbid. Similarly, ladies, when the deal approaches, you may say, sorry, Tombazani. Sorry, Siswami. Sorry, Tombazani. See that sorry, Tombazani is a prepaid apology for the lies dressed in hunky-dory, for your sexual glory, all for your body, all coming by. Sorry, Tombazani. Sorry, Siswami. If it's not sorry, Tombazani, then definitely, surely, it must be Kanani, Tombazani, Kanani, Siswami. Not for long, let it be like a song. You be the word, he be the beat. You say, let us just keep it discreet, but ironically, without the ring is pressing on your sheets, all because of Kanani, Tombazani, Kanani, Siswami. Cease until another we meet. Now that we have sealed the deal, let us explore into the ideal. Attraction in an instant, structure in all its abundance. The ideal, good structure, let you keep your culture. He is incredible, successful, but be careful. He may be funny, calling you honey, but seriously, who's of vandalize and general chef Oscar Pistorius? For the ideal deals with two words in one. Now that we have sealed the ideal, let us explore into the real guy.
My God.
Because he's clever enough to use the glove. Ladies, what I'm trying to tell you is be careful of suitors who are drawn by your beautiful face. Now my hips, my bonus, etc. ukuthi yena ufuna ukukhipha for some romantic trips, akutshela ukuthi uvuka yena ekuseni ngama-rice crips, nawe udaba uthanda usu-tips. Order, I'm your waiter. I shouldn't be the one giving you tips. Thank you.